Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm so thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something truly special, transforming your farmhouse into a cozy Christmas wonderland using soft neutrals, rustic wreaths, and timeless charm. Whether you're decorating your kitchen, living spaces, or even that tucked-away reading nook, I've got ideas that'll make your home feel like a warm hug this holiday season. If you love farmhouse style as much as I do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below telling me your favorite farmhouse Christmas tradition. Let's start where your guest's experience begins, your farmhouse exterior. Picture this, a classic white or barn red facade adorned with a simple evergreen wreath on the front door, flanked by galvanized metal buckets filled with fresh pine branches and white birch logs. Add vintage lanterns on either side of your entrance with battery-operated candles for that magical glow. Consider draping a subtle garland along your porch railing, keeping it natural with pine cones, dried oranges, and burlap ribbon. The key here is restraint. Farmhouse style celebrates simplicity. A wooden ladder leaning against the porch decorated with small reeds creates visual interest without overwhelming the senses. This understated elegance whispers "Welcome home" in the most beautiful way. Your entryway sets the tone for everything that follows, so let's make it both beautiful and practical. Install a rustic coat rack made from reclaimed wood or vintage hooks where guests can hang their winter layers. Below, place a weathered bench with woven baskets tucked underneath for shoe storage. Add small evergreen sprigs to the baskets for a festive touch. Hang a distressed wooden framed mirror above a narrow console table, and nestle a mercury glass vase filled with white branches or cotton stems on top. A jute or vintage-inspired doormat with a subtle holiday message adds personality. Don't forget a galvanized tray for keys adorned with a small boxwood wreath. This layered approach creates what designers call a curated vignette, purposeful styling that feels collected over time. The living room is where memories are made, so let's infuse it with farmhouse Christmas magic. Start with your largest furniture piece. A slip-covered sofa in natural linen or cream becomes your neutral canvas. Layer in texture with chunky knit throw blankets in oatmeal, cream, or soft gray, and add plaid or ticking stripe pillows for that classic farmhouse touch. Your coffee table becomes a focal point. Style it with a wooden dough bowl filled with antique ornaments, fresh greenery, and white candles. Consider a vintage ladder leaning in the corner, draped with a cozy throw and mini wreaths on each rung. The philosophy here embraces what's called livable luxury, spaces that look beautiful but invite you to curl up with hot cocoa and actually enjoy them. Wreaths are the unsung heroes of farmhouse Christmas decor, and they deserve their moment. Think beyond the front door. Hang oversized eucalyptus or mixed evergreen wreaths above your mantel, behind your dining table, or even on cabinet doors. Choose wreaths with natural elements like pine cones, cotton bowls, dried hydrangeas, or birch twigs for authentic farmhouse appeal. Tie them with wide burlap ribbon, vintage ticking fabric, or simple twine for that organic, unpolished look. Groupings create impact. Try 3 varying sizes on one wall for a gallery effect. You can also lay a wreath flat as a centerpiece foundation, placing a hurricane lantern with a pillar candle in the center. This technique is called layering dimensionally, and it adds depth to your holiday styling. Your farmhouse dining room deserves a Christmas table that feels both special and approachable. Start with your foundation. A reclaimed wood farm table is ideal, but any table works with the right styling. Layer a linen table runner down the center in cream, natural, or soft gray. Create a centerpiece using a vintage wooden tray or dough bowl filled with white candles at varying heights, fresh eucalyptus, and scattered pine cones. Mix and match white ironstone dishes with simple glassware for that collected over time aesthetic. Add individual sprigs of greenery at each place setting, tied with twine around rolled linen napkins. The beauty here lies in what designers call understated elegance, Nothing overly formal, just thoughtful touches that make everyone feel welcome to the table. Your farmhouse kitchen cabinets offer perfect opportunities for subtle Christmas styling without sacrificing functionality. If you have open shelving or glass front cabinets, this is your moment to shine. Tuck small evergreen sprigs behind your everyday white dishes and vintage ironstone collections. Hang mini wreaths from cup hooks on the underside of open shelves, letting them dangle at varying heights. For closed cabinets, consider attaching small magnolia leaf garlands across the top or placing a wooden sign with a simple holiday message. Swap out your everyday canisters for vintage crocks tied with plaid ribbon and filled with wooden spoons alongside fresh greenery. The approach here is integration. Your Christmas decor should feel like a natural extension of your kitchen's existing style, not a costume. Don't overlook your refrigerator as a canvas for farmhouse Christmas charm. This approach is surprisingly fresh and fun. Attach a simple garland swag across the top using removable hooks. Choose eucalyptus, mixed evergreens, or even a cotton stem garland for softness. Add a small wreath to the refrigerator door handle, secured with beautiful ribbon. If you have a stainless steel fridge, magnetic hooks can hold lightweight decorative elements like berry sprigs or small vintage ornaments. For a farmhouse pantry door nearby, hang a larger statement wreath or create a gallery of smaller decorative elements. This attention to every detail creates what's known as a cohesive design story, where no surface is forgotten, and everything works together harmoniously to create an immersive holiday experience throughout your space. The stove area is your kitchen's hardworking hub, but that doesn't mean it can't join the Christmas celebration. Keep decorations here practical and fire-safe. This is crucial. Style your range hood by draping a simple garland along its edges, secured well away from heat sources. On your stovetop when not in use, place a vintage wooden tray with white enamelware pieces filled with greenery, keeping everything easily movable for cooking. If you have a pot rack above, hang small ornaments or berry sprigs using twine. Consider swapping regular dish towels for holiday-themed options in cream with subtle patterns. Think ticking stripes or grain sacks. A vintage sign with farmhouse kitchen or gather propped nearby adds personality. The key is achieving balance, beautiful but never impeding your actual cooking workflow. Your coffee station deserves special attention because it's where Christmas mornings truly begin. Whether you have a dedicated coffee bar or just a small counter space, style it thoughtfully. Arrange your coffee machine as the anchor, then build around it with layered height. Stack vintage books or small wooden crates to create levels. Place a galvanized tray holding your favorite mugs and tuck evergreen sprigs or white berry stems between them. Add a small chalkboard sign with a holiday coffee quote written in your handwriting. Display your coffee beans in glass canisters tied with twine and fresh greenery tags. A tiny wreath hung above or a string of wooden bead garland draped casually creates that finishing touch. This is what designers call creating a functional vignette, beautiful to look at but completely practical for daily use. Your farmhouse family room with that big flat TV needs to balance technology with cozy Christmas charm. The trick is making the TV feel integrated, not dominant. On the console beneath, arrange a low-profile greenery garland that won't block the screen, interspersed with white candles in hurricane holders and vintage books stacked horizontally. Flank the TV with tall candlesticks or wooden lanterns for vertical balance. In the seating area, add oversized floor cushions in neutral linen for extra holiday guests. A reclaimed wood coffee table becomes command central. Style it with a wooden tray holding the remotes, keeping them accessible, surrounded by seasonal elements like pine branches in a galvanized bucket. Overhead or on side walls, hang wreaths or a Merry Christmas banner in natural materials. This achieves layered coziness, where comfort and style coexist perfectly. Your farmhouse home office deserves Christmas cheer too, because who says workspaces can't be festive? Start with your desk. Choose a simple arrangement that won't crowd your workspace. A small vintage radio styled as a decorative piece adds nostalgic charm, and you can tuck a sprig of greenery beside it. That unique small desk clock becomes a focal point when surrounded by white candles in varying heights. Hang a wreath on the wall behind your desk or above your workspace. If you have open shelving, alternate your books with small decorative elements, vintage ornaments, white pottery, or mini topiaries. Replace your regular desk accessories with seasonal touches, a pencil holder wrapped in burlap and twine, or file folders tied with ribbon. The goal is what's called functional decor. Everything serves a purpose while elevating your space aesthetically. Create the ultimate farmhouse reading nook that beckons you to slow down this Christmas season. Start with a comfortable chair. Think oversized upholstered piece or a weathered leather armchair, layered with sheepskin, chunky knits, and plaid throws. Position a vintage side table within arm's reach, styled with a white ceramic lamp, your current read, and a small vase with eucalyptus stems. Add a floor basket beside the chair filled with extra blankets and holiday reading material. On the wall, hang a simple wreath or vintage framed botanical prints. A floor lamp with an Edison bulb provides ambient lighting. If you have a window nearby, hang a simple garland across the top or place a wooden lantern on the sill. This space embodies what designers call a layered textural approach, mixing fabrics, materials, and elements to create depth and invite you to truly settle in. Your farmhouse bedroom becomes a Christmas sanctuary with thoughtful, restful styling. The bed is your focal point. Layer it with white or cream bedding, add a chunky knit blanket at the foot, and pile on pillows including some with subtle holiday patterns like buffalo check or simple stripes. Hang a large eucalyptus wreath above the headboard or on the wall as your statement piece. On nightstands, keep it simple with white ceramic lamps, a small candle, and a sprig of greenery in a vintage bottle. At the foot of your bed, place a wooden bench draped with a cozy throw and topped with a small pillow. If you have a dresser, style the top with a vintage tray holding your jewelry and a small evergreen arrangement. The atmosphere here follows serene layering, enough detail to feel special without overwhelming the restful purpose of your bedroom. Your farmhouse bathroom might be small, but it's the perfect place for surprising Christmas touches. Near the shower, hang a eucalyptus bundle from the shower head using twine. The steam releases beautiful aromatherapy. Around your wastafel or sink, create a spa-like vignette with white towels rolled and placed in a wire basket, topped with greenery sprigs. Add a wooden tray on the counter holding glass apothecary jars filled with cotton balls and Epsom salts, with small ornaments scattered between them. Hang a wreath on the mirror or on the back of the bathroom door. Replace regular hand soap with one in seasonal scents like pine or peppermint, displayed in a vintage soap dispenser. Add a white candle beside the sink for ambience. This creates what's called a sensory experience, engaging sight, scent, and touch to make even your morning routine feel special and holiday-focused. Your farmhouse garage might not be glamorous, but functional Christmas organization creates joy. Install simple hooks along walls for hanging wreaths that aren't currently in use. Protect them in clear storage bags. Use galvanized buckets or vintage crocks to organize outdoor decorating supplies like twine, wire, and ribbon. Create a dedicated holiday station on a workbench with labeled wooden crates for different decoration categories. Hang a pegboard painted white or in barn red. Organizing tools you'll need for hanging decorations: command hooks, nails, scissors, all visible and accessible. Add a small wreath to the garage's interior door as a cheerful greeting. If you have exposed rafters, consider hanging spare garlands there. Even adding a simple workshop sign brings farmhouse charm. This approach is called beautiful functionality, where organization systems themselves become part of your overall aesthetic. Your farmhouse patio extends your holiday living space into the outdoors. Start with outdoor-safe furniture, a weathered bench or rocking chairs that can handle the elements. Add weather-resistant pillows in plaids or neutral patterns. String cafe lights overhead for magical evening ambience, or hang vintage-style lanterns from shepherd's hooks. Create a focal point with a large galvanized bucket filled with fresh-cut evergreen branches, birch logs, and oversized pine cones. On a patio table, place a wooden tray with flameless candles in hurricane holders and winter greenery. Hang a large weatherproof wreath on your exterior house wall or lean one against the siding. If you have a covered patio, add a garland along the roofline or posts. Even in winter, this outdoor room becomes what designers call an extended living area, usable space that enhances your home's overall entertaining capacity. Let's talk about the transformative power of lighting in your farmhouse Christmas decor. It truly changes everything. Layer your lighting using what designers call the rule of 3 light sources: ambient, overhead, task reading lamps, and accent candles. Choose warm white LED string lights over cool white. They create that cozy glow farmhouse-style craves. Wrap them loosely around garlands rather than in tight, uniform patterns for organic beauty. Incorporate lots of candles, pillar candles in hurricane holders, tapers in vintage candlesticks, and tea lights in mercury glass votives scattered throughout surfaces. Edison bulb fixtures add vintage character while providing practical lighting. Don't forget natural light. Keep windows uncluttered with simple treatments. In the evenings, dim overhead lights and rely on your layered accent lighting. This creates atmospheric depth, that intangible coziness that makes spaces feel truly inviting. Now let's talk about creating cohesion throughout your entire farmhouse this Christmas. Consistency is key. Establish your color palette: neutrals, whites, natural greens, and perhaps one accent like cranberry or navy, and repeat it through every space. Use similar materials throughout: wood, galvanized metal, linen, cotton. Your wreaths should feel related even if they're not identical. Maybe I'll use eucalyptus, or I'll feature similar ribbon. This repetition creates what's called visual flow. Your eye travels comfortably from room to room without jarring transitions. Don't feel pressure to decorate every surface. Farmhouse style embraces negative space, letting beautiful pieces breathe. Focus your energy on high-impact areas where your family gathers most. Quality over quantity always wins. The result is a home that feels intentionally designed, not randomly decorated. Thoughtful, cohesive, and authentically yours. Let me share some insider tips that'll make your farmhouse Christmas decorating easier and more impactful. First, shop your home. You likely already own neutral pieces that work beautifully with Christmas styling. Add inexpensive fresh greenery from your local grocery store to elevate anything instantly. When arranging vignettes, use the triangle rule. Create visual triangles with your items at varying heights. Invest in a few high-quality neutral pieces you'll use year after year, then supplement with inexpensive trendy items. Always secure your decorations properly, especially in high-traffic areas. Nothing ruins farmhouse charm like constantly straightening fallen decor. Take photos as you decorate to see what your eye might miss in person. Cameras reveal whether balance feels right. Create a simple inventory with photos of your storage bins, so next year's decorating is effortless. These practical approaches ensure what designers call sustainable styling, beautiful results without unnecessary stress or expense. And there you have it, friends. Your complete guide to creating a farmhouse Christmas that's brimming with neutrals, rustic wreaths, and timeless charm. From your welcoming exterior to that cozy reading nook, every space in your home can embrace this beautiful aesthetic. Remember, farmhouse style is about creating a home that feels lived in, loved, and genuinely welcoming. Don't stress about perfection. The beauty is in the imperfections and personal touches you add. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to bring these ideas to life in your own space. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more design inspiration every week. Drop a comment below and tell me which room you're decorating first. And don't forget to share this with friends who love farmhouse style as much as we do. Happy decorating, and may your Christmas be merry, bright, and beautifully cozy.